Hi! In front of me is OPPO Find X5 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this smartphone. Firstly, access recorder app by tapping on it, then select allow in the pop-ups. I already did that, so I can click on this red button right away and start my recording. You can pause it and unpause it using the same one. You can also add a bookmark by tapping on the flag over here, or you can add photo mark by choosing this little camera icon, taking a photo, clicking on the check mark over here, and now if you wish to end and save your recording, click at the top right corner. Then name it however you wish to, choose save, and as you can see, mine was successfully created. If you wish to play it, you need to click on it. If you wish to delete it though, you need to go back, hold it, choose delete icon at the bottom right corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!